So children, in the previous classes, I told you about sine A plus B formula. I told children, I told you about sine A minus B formula, cos A plus B I told children, cos A minus B also I told children, and then tan A plus B I told, tan A minus B I told, even we discussed cot A plus B and cot A minus B, and also we discussed so many numericals in the descriptions of the videos I have given children. Now today children, next formula we are going to derive children today. Very easy one children. Sine A plus B into sine A minus B is one formula I want to derive, and the other formula which I want to derive is cos A plus B into cos A minus B. I want to derive children. Apart from this, I want to derive tan A plus B into tan A minus B. I want to derive children. These three formulas we are going to derive children. Tan A plus B and tan A minus B. Remaining things, remaining the formulas derivation express it. Be careful children. Sin A plus B formula. What is the formula of sin A plus B children? Sin A
Sin A
cos
cos
B,
B, sin B cos A. Yes.
sin B cos A. I hope all of you remember children. You should remember them children. Sin A minus B,
Sin A cos B minus sin B cos A.
sin B cos A children. That's all. See, sin A cos B, sin A cos B, sin B cos A, sin B cos A. This is in
A
the form
square,
of A
A
plus B
plus
into
B into A
Plus
minus
b into
B.
a
A
minus
square
b,
minus B.
a square minus b square, sin a cos b,
sin square A cos
a
square
cos
B.
square b minus sin square b cos square a.
But this is not the formula. This is not the formula, children. We want formula either in sine or in cos. That's all. We don't want both of them. We want either in sine or in cos. When I want only in sine, I will remove cos. When I want only in cos, I will remove sine. First, I want only in sine, children. This formula I want only in sine. Sine
Cos
square A 1
1
minus
minus
sine.
sin square B minus sin square B into 1 minus sin square A.
Okay, children, I want only answer in sine square, children. So this into this is how much? Sine square A minus sine square A, sine square B minus sine square B plus sine square
Sin
A.
square a, sin square b,
This cancel. So answer is sine square
sin
A
square a
minus
minus sin square b.
sine square B over. Now I want to only answer in cos, children. I want to only answer in cos. I will remove sine square. Sine square A, what I can write?
1 minus cos square a
A cos
into cos
square
square
B.
b minus 1 minus cos square b into cos square a.
You should know children at that point
Cos
how to
square
convert them. You should know children. Okay. So this into
b
this.
minus cos square a into cos square b minus cos square a plus cos square a into cos square b. Cancel. Cos square b minus cos square a.
This is the formula. This is the formula for sin A plus B into sin A minus B. Whatever we have to use all these formulas when children in intermediate or like this questions only will come children, not normal sums. You should be thorough with all these formulas, children. No one will ask you these derivations in inter children. They will give directly sums children. How they will give, I will show you. Now, let us derive this formula also. So, children, this I want to answer either in sine or cos. I got it, children. Now, let us check this one, children. Cos A plus B. Do you remember, children? Cos A,
Cos
cos
A
B.
cos
Cos
B
a cos
minus
b
minus sin A
minus
sin B.
What is cos A minus B?
into
Cos A cos B
cos a
plus
cos
sin A
b
sin
plus
B.
sin a sin b.
Sin A, sin B. Okay, children. So, this is also A minus B into A plus B. Cos square A, cos square B
Minus sin
minus
Minus
square
cos
A sin
square
square
b
B.
cos square
sin square
a.
A, sin square B minus sin square A, sin square B, children. Okay. Am I correct, children? So, is it correct, children? What we got? So children, we got now. Now I want to simplify them, children. Cos square A, B, cos square A, cos square B, I got minus sin square A, sin square B, I want. I want to simplify in two types. I want to simplify, children. See, first time when I'm simplifying, how I will simplify? I want either cos and sin, or means I want either AB or BA, children. See how I will search. First case, what I will do means I will remove cos and sin, children. See how we will do. So cos square A, okay, cos square A, and can I write cos square B as 1 minus sin square B, children?
Yes, sir.
Now what I will do, sine square A, I will write it as 1 minus cos square A into sine square B. Okay, children, what you will get, children? This into this is what, children?
Square A
Cos
minus
square A minus cos
cos
square
square A
A
into sine square B
B. This into this what, children?
minus
Sine
Minus
sine
square B.
square
square b
B
plus sin square b into cos square a.
Cos square A into sine square B. Cos square A into sine square B, children. Okay. So please see here, children,
Answer.
this and gone. So cos square A minus sine square B. Cos square A minus sine square B, you got, children, this one. Okay. No, sir, I didn't like this formula. Means cos square A I can write as 1 minus sine square A. Sine square B I can write as 1 minus cos square B. Okay, 1 minus sine square A minus 1 plus cos square B plus 1 minus 1 con. So cos square B minus sine square A also we can write. These are the final formulas. These are the final formulas. Like this you should get, children. So either you can write as cos square A minus sine square B or cos square B minus sine square A. What is that? Cos A plus B into cos A minus B. You are able to understand, children?
Yes, sir.
This you have to remember, children. You have to remember all these formulas. You have to remember. You have to by heart them, because every time you can't derive. No, children, whenever they ask a question, you can't keep on deriving them at that moment. It will take a lot of time, children. Unnecessary waste of time. Okay, children. Tan A plus B into tan A minus B, also small derivation, children. Tan A plus B. Do you remember the formula, children? Tan A. I'm doing here. Tan A plus
Tan a
tan B.
plus tan
By
b by
1
1
minus
minus
tan
tan a
A
tan
tan
b.
B.
And what is tan A minus B formula? Do you remember, children?
Tan a
Tan A
minus tan
minus
b
tan
by
B by
1 plus
1 plus
tan a tan b.
1 plus
1 plus tan a tan b.
So children, directly, children, upper one if you do, you'll get tan square A minus tan square B, and down one if you
By
do, directly
1
you will get
square minus tan
1
a tan
minus
b whole
tan
square.
square A tan square B. That's all, children. This is the final formula for that. All three formulas derivation I told you. Okay. So sin A plus B, sin A minus B. How the questions will come? Numericals, how they will ask. I will show you, children. If you do numericals, you will always understand, children. Always doing numericals will help you to understand, children. See, children, first numerical, I will show you, children. Like this, it will, they ask, children, what is the value of sine 75 into sine 15? Like this, they will ask. Sine 75 into sine 15. They will ask questions like this, children.
Sin
Sin
30.
45 plus 30.
40
Sin 45
Sine
plus
45 plus
plus
30.
30
into
into
sin
sin
45 minus
45
30.
minus 30.
This is in the form of
Sin a plus b into sin minus sin a minus b.
sin A minus B. Sin A plus B into sin A minus B. Either take this formula or this formula. Your wish, children. Your wish. Any formula you can take. Which formula you want? This, children?
Answer.
First one we will take it. So sine square A minus sine square B. Who is A? 45. Who is B? 30. Sine square 45 minus sine square 30. Okay, children. I hope you are able to understand. Please see here, children. Sine square 45.
1 by root 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square.
1 by 2 whole square.
1
This
by
is 1
2
by 2
minus
minus
1 by
1 by
4.
4. That is 2 by 4. That is 1 by
1
2.
by 2.
Like that, children. No, sir, I will do sine 45 plus 30 normal method, sine 45 minus 30 normal method. Then I'll multiply. Means it will become long, children. That much time you will not be having. You should remember sine A plus B, sine A minus B means immediately you should get this formula and this formula into your brain. Then you can do, children. Like that you should do. Okay, no, sir, we did not understand one more sum means. I'll say one more sum, children. See here, all of you. I'll say one more sum, children. See here. Cos 75 cos 15. Cos 75 into cos 75 into no cos 105 into cos 15. Cos 105 into cos 15. Yes, children. Anyone?
Cos 60 plus cos 60 plus 45 minus cos 60.
Cos 40 minus cos
60 minus 45.
60 minus 45. This is in the form of cos.
A plus b into cos a minus b.
What is the formula of cos A plus B and cos A minus B? We have two
Cos-
formulas, children. Cos square A minus sin square B or cos square B minus sin square A. At that moment, you should immediately remember them, children. You will not have time to derive. Okay, initial stage you can derive.
In the previous sum, the answer is minus 1 by 2, right?
Minus 1 by 2. Why not? 2 2s are 4 1s are no. Why you get minus? Let's check 4. 2 2s
1 by
are
4.
Yes.
1 by 4.
1 by 4. 1 by 4. So children, cos A plus B, cos A minus B. What is which formula we'll use this formula? Okay. So we have cos square A minus sin square B. Let's substitute children. What is cos square A children? Cos square A means
Cos square 60.
cos square 60 minus sin square
50.
45.
45.
This is A, this is B. Cos square 60 means 1 by 2
1 by
whole
2 whole
square
square.
and 1 by root 2 whole square.
Whole square.
1 by 4 minus
4
1 by
minus 1.
2.
Minus 1
4
by
minus 2 is
minus 1 by 4.
minus
1 by 4.
2 by 4, that is minus 1 by 2 is the answer. So children, today I have told you 3 derivations. One is sin A plus B, sin A minus B, cos A plus B, cos A minus B, tan A plus B, tan A minus B. If you remember now children, it will be okay. If not, what happens means day by day, the time will be going on. I will be saying so many formulas. All formulas, remix will occur in your brain and you'll get confusion. So first, remember all these formulas perfectly, children. Then remember these 3 formulas. Then keep on. It will keep on coming. I told you in the first class. If you remember this, all these formulas automatically will be coming one after other, one after other. So many are going to come, children, in the future. Almost 25, 30 formulas you will get. But everything comes from this one. So children, what I mean to say is in exam, they'll ask this question means at that moment you can't derive all these things and you will substitute. You should remember all these formulas. Like sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. How you remember? Secant square theta is 1 plus tan square theta in 10th class. How you remember? Like that, in intermediate, you should remember all these formulas, children. Then only you'll be in a position, children. In the description of this video, I'll give you around 19 to 20 sums, children. 20 sums. Try to do them, children. If you do them, then you will understand, children.
Sir, it's minus 1.